A very warm good morning to everyone. I'm Nirmaljeet Kaur from Darshan Academy, Basua. Welcome to our distinguished resource person for today's capacity building program for English teachers. We are truly honored to have with us Ms. Rashmi, the principal of Riyad Bahara International School. Ms. Rashmi brings with her remarkable academic journey of over 17 years as a postgraduate teacher in English, during which she has mentored and guided countless young minds. Her passion for English language and her commitment to nurturing students' potential have consistently shown through her work. She has also led and mentored students in numerous competitions related to English language, where her guidance has always translated into remarkable achievements, with her students bringing home accolades year after year. This highlights not only her expertise in the subject, but also the deep motivation and inspiration which instills in her learners. As an academic leader and passionate educator, Ms. Rashmi continues to set an exemplary standard for teaching and learning, making her one of the most respected mentors in an educational fraternity. On behalf of everyone present here, I extend a heartfelt welcome to you, ma'am. We look forward to gain from your enriched experience, valuable insights, and the wealth of knowledge you will be sharing with us today. Now, for the formal welcome, I would like to invite President of Shivalik Hills Sahodaya, Principal of Darshan Academy, Mr. Rasik. Sir, please.
So, very good morning to all the worthy English teachers of all the member schools of Shivalik Hills, Sahodaya, Hoshiarpur. Our Sahodaya aims to empower our educators with the latest trends in teaching technology as well as the teaching methodologies. So, keeping the same in mind, we had already organized some online teaching sessions, CBPs, the links of which were shared with all of you, and you had accordingly attended those online sessions and given your feedback also in the link provided to you. And certificates were issued to all those who had attended and marked their attendance with the feedback. We had eminent resource persons for those sessions who are the principals from reputed CBSE affiliated schools, a very good friend of mine. And this time we decided that out of our own knowledge pool, our own Sahodaya principals, the ones who can take some sessions to empower our educators should also come forward. And I'm very happy and glad that Rashmi ma'am, Principal Riyad Bahara International School, Hoshiarpur, she was the first one who herself came forward and wanted to share her expertise and her knowledge in the field of English with all the fellow English teachers of Shivalik Hills, Sahodaya. So today we have a CBP on English. Resource person has been introduced to you, Ma'am Rashmi, Principal Riyad Bahara International School. And I'm glad to share we have our Deputy City Coordinator, a very good friend of mine, Mr. A.P. Singh Bediji, Principal Chaudhry Balbir Public School, Hoshiarpur. He is attending the session with us, and I'll just see if there are any other fellow principals. Participant list may can't find any, but anyhow, if there are any colleagues, any fellow principals with us, I welcome all those fellow principals also to this English CBP by Shivalik Hills, Sahodaya, Hoshiarpur. And I welcome all the participants also. I wish that this proves to be a very good learning session for all the teachers, and further they can empower their students with the learnings which they take back from this session. As I had mentioned earlier, as soon as the limit of 40 minutes will reach. After that, we will rejoin. We'll break the meeting there and then. I will let you know, and we will rejoin immediately so that without any delay we can continue. Now I hand over the stage and mic and everything to the resource person of the day, Rashmi ma'am. Ma'am, please.
Thank you so much, sir, for the welcome. And with that, I welcome all the English teachers present for this session. Teachers, I have 17 years of experience as PGT English in my previous school. So I just wished to disseminate my information or my knowledge which I have gathered in all those 17 years to you. You people are more learned than I. I have to learn so many things from you. But whatever I could learn and I could implement in my classes and give it to students, this session is for that. It would come out of my personal experiences, the things which I have already catered into my classrooms, and they are not impractical things which I'll talk about. Sometimes, you know, we give lecture and after listening to that lecture we feel that ke pata nahi this is practically possible in our classes or not. So it is just basically, just as sir mentioned, to empower all of us. So because our ultimate goal are our children, are our results, and the fact that when the child comes back to you just with a simple message, okay ma'am, it was because of you that I could do this thing, maybe not in school, maybe when they go out of the school, in the colleges or wherever they go. So I think that is the best feeling which you get as a teacher. I would like to ask all the English teachers. I know English teachers as an English teacher myself. So I'm talking today as an English teacher, not as an administrator or as the principal. English teachers are the most targeted group, I think, of the school. We are there to monitor the children's progress. We are there to write all the social media news for the school. We are there to write all, competitions, scripts, assemblies ki scripts, and then stage managing, and annual theaters, annual functions, and many more. I don't know, I might have left so many things, but this sounds in itself, okay, when we are supposed to do these many things outside our classrooms, how are we going to deliver our best in the classes? Because there are many times when we have to break away from the class, when we have to actually come out of the class, because these things also matter, these things are also important. So for that, what I learned is, अपने पास अपने हाथ में अगर दो ही बच्चे हैं ना, स्टेज मैनेजर्स वाले, if we are able to empower those 2 children only ना, I think my task for that week or that for that month is done. So instead of thinking, yes, we think about the entire class as a whole, but then not thinking about the problems at hand. Let us talk about solutions today. So I'll start with the PPT, which I have, my team has created, not I have done. So I hope by the end of the session, this serves at least your takeaways would be more in the classrooms, and you will be able to implement certain things in your classrooms very effectively. I would like to start with one thing. एक हम सोचते हैं किसी दिन वो काम करेंगे, someday I'll do this work, and then there is day one. So the things which we have planned for ourselves in our classrooms, thinking that we'll do it someday, today is day one. Let us, after this session, when we go back to our classes, implement just one thing in our classrooms and see whether it makes the difference or not. If it makes the difference, very good. It will definitely make the difference, And if it doesn't make the difference, then we need to modify. We need to, change our strategies. How we can empower our children inside the class or the board. My PPT actually is a two-way source. I will be talking about certain things हम 10th और 12th में आके we cannot suddenly एकदम से हमारे को English की याद आती है, and then we say when 10th and 12th में the children are not interested in studying English. Two subjects, English and physical education. If I talk about grade 12, these are the most neglected subjects, especially for the children, those who go for their NEET and JEE preparations, and they think ये तो हो ही जाएंगे. First myth which is to be busted is ये नहीं हो जाएंगे ऐसे ही. The children require a mentor. Now, in that case, our role as a teacher is only to mentor them. We cannot ask them to read each and every line, single line. They don't come to us. They don't come to schools. They are irregular students. So how do we train them? And then the second part, 10th and 12th में आके with the board exams, we think कि उनकी grammar भी ठीक हो जाए, उनकी writing skills भी अच्छी हो जाएं, और उनको answers भी लिखने आ जाएं, and that a teacher of 10 and 12 can do, that cannot be done. That's not a 6 months task which we can teach to the children. Let us be very practical. That is a task which has to start from the beginning, from the junior classes. So English teachers, the group of English teachers inside the school as a whole need to work collaboratively in order to get the desired results for grade 10 and 12. So here today we are going to talk about the common mistakes which the children make. What challenges do the children face? What will our role as a teacher be in order to overcome those challenges? And then how can we transform our classrooms into a very educative and interesting place? Science are practical subjects, maths are practical subjects, English जब पढ़ाने चलते हैं, for example, if we take a topic of grammar only, what do? We just rule out the rules on our blackboards, and then we give them the worksheets to work upon, and we take their test. But by the time the child reaches 9th standard, if the child is not good with the grammar rules and regulations to be applied, where and when to apply, I think our role fails as an English teacher inside the school, as a teen inside the school, not one teacher, but as a teen inside the school. So we'll talk about certain strategies which we can begin from the formative years of the students, so that by the time, yes, we have to understand, and we do understand the challenges. Ke bacha is not, English is a third language for us. Punjabi is our mother tongue, then Hindi a little bit, and then comes English, where we need to put some deliberate efforts for the children to get them onto the task. English बच्चे घर में नहीं बोल रहे हैं, English बच्चे classrooms में नहीं बोल रहे हैं when the English teacher is out. But now the trend has gone कि बच्चों को अगर English में नहीं समझ में आ रहा, translate them. And translation methods, if you have done the B.Ed, you must be knowing that that's the worst form of teaching English. We make our thoughts in Hindi and Punjabi, and then when we translate it into English, that's not going to happen. That's never going to come into an appropriate English sentence. And now, why is English important, first of all? Why do we need to study English? Why CBSE has put up into this curriculum of English? So reason is very, very basic, and it is see, we are into a global era. We are into a global language. We need to have a third language with which we can communicate with the people when we go at a different place. अपने India में देख लो, we are full of diversity. है ना? Till Delhi or maybe till MP we go, Hindi works. But the moment you start moving down southwards, they don't understand. So we have to communicate. They also know English, we also know English. That is how we can communicate with each other. So as the most neglected subject, but then we have to tell the children that how important that language is to communicate, and what is the importance of this language. देखो अगर एक बच्चा 10th standard तक 3 subjects पढ़ रहा, 3 languages पढ़ रहा है, हिंदी, English and Punjabi, but the sorry state of affairs which lies with our school is that he is master of none. अगर हम किसी से होदे के competition में भी जाते हैं ना, तो there also we see that the children they are like, there are certain set of children, those who repeatedly come to those Sahodyas, the teachers prefer to have them because they already know. They have come from some other states, they have a little bit of good accent, थोड़ा बहुत मैटर आजकल ChatGPT से निकल आता है, and with that we go to the Sahodyas for our competitions. So what about those students, those who genuinely want to learn, but we ignore them inside the classes? तो आज हम यही कुछ डिस्कस करेंगे कि हाउ कैन वी मेक आवर क्लासरूम्स इंटरेस्टिंग राइट फ्रॉम द जूनियर स्टेजेस सो दैट बाय द टाइम दे अपीयर फॉर देयर बोर्ड एग्जाम्स इंग्लिश should not remain a stress for them. 28 chapters of English from both the books in grade 10, 19 chapters in grade 9. So what my purpose here is to tell everyone कि ये 28 चैप्टर्स और ये 19 चैप्टर्स जितना वो इग्नोर करते हैं ना उनको इग्नोर करने की ही जरूरत पड़े बस एक बार रीडिंग लें दे नो द चैप्टर एंड दे आर एबल टू do good in the examination and perform well and give good results not just for themselves for us also as teachers. English teachers सिर्फ साल में एक ही बार कुछ moments के लिए ही खुश होते हैं when the results on the day of the results when the children come कि मैम 99 marks आए हैं इंग्लिश में all thanks to you. तो वो एक मोमेंट फिर भूल भी जाता है वो very very quickly you get over क्योंकि the management calls you भाई ये तो 2 बच्चों के आगे बाकियों के why they haven't scored above 90 at least why they haven't scored at least 85 plus क्या कर रहे हो इतने सालों से तो वो खुशी टेम्परेरी जैसी खुशी आती है that only gives us satisfaction. So although the management takes back that खुशी very soon. So today this is our motive कि हमें वहाँ पे ज्यादा मेहनत करने की ना जरूरत पड़े. We give all that exposure to the children with the stage management, with the stage conduction and all those things so that they feel confident enough. मजा आ जाए एक बार स्टेज पे खड़ा हुआ बच्चा हो नीचे टीचर खड़ा हो और एक बार को बोले वाह भाई वाह आज मजा आ गया ये मैंने क्रिएट किया है. That kind of a feeling as an English teacher I think I would like to have with my own students and I have had. मतलब when the teachers come कि यार इतनी अच्छी preparation ये कैसे हुई. So I think that is the moment of satisfaction personal level पे also and professional level पे also. That is the point where our satisfaction comes. So as I already said कि we are not waiting for that one day we will do that thing. Today we will start with day 1 of doing the things. Here the agenda today is how to bring an intelligent child to the scale of 98 and 99 board examinations, how to bring up a 90 wala child, 89, 90 wala child to 95% in the board examination, average wala child 75, 79 wala child till 90, it's struggling जो हमारा बच्चा है क्लास के अंदर, how to bring him to first division at least 60%, and then the children those who actually lack basic skills inside the class, how to bring them at least to pass marks. Here I would also like to mention जो हमारी बोर्ड की चेकिंग होती है, all of you are PGT, TGTs English, you must be going for your evaluations also. But here the culture of evaluation in Punjab is entirely different from the culture of evaluation when we go outside the Punjab. Again, this is coming out from an experience of talking to all those teachers, those who are evaluating the answer sheets in the region of even Ludhiana, Delhi, Faridabad, Noida, NCR and the region. Here we are little liberal as English teachers. थोड़े से बच्चे ने कुछ तो लिखा ना, कुछ नंबर दे दो. Even if the actual answer it doesn't match, कुछ लिखा है नंबर दे दो. That is that is what we are as English teachers in Punjab. But there they don't give marks. तो इसीलिए जो हमारा रिजल्ट जाता है, जहाँ के भी पेपर्स आते हैं, we don't know, there is no identity to those papers. Those results are very good because we liberally give marks. हम तो अगर देख रहे होते हैं कि 68 पे बच्चा पहुंच गया ना तो उसको 71 तक कर दो. रिपोर्ट कार्ड पे 9 बन जाएगा ना, so that would be a satisfaction for the child. But there वो देखते हैं अगर 70 तक पहुंच गया तो उसको 62 तक कैसे डिक्रीज करना है. For each and every single mark. My own experience, a child while evaluating, she got 99 marks. There was no chance, there was no place of deducting any kind of mark. But our HE, he deducted the marks, 1 mark, full 1 mark for just a spelling mistake, advice ki spellings, ADVISE and ADVICE. He said the child has mentioned it wrong, so we deduct 1 mark for that. The child, because of these very small SNCK errors, the child was brought to 96. नहीं देने marks, 99 marks. Otherwise also if we talk about English exams, not practically applicable also क्योंकि there is always a room for improvement. 99 marks means perfection, and as English teachers we are never perfect. English students can never be perfect. We always have a room for our improvement. So common mistakes which we observe in exams. चलो, this is the formatting mistakes where we mix the section. अब हमें पता है ABC sections आते हैं. So section A का one question we start and then question number 7 पे we reach and then we attempt section B का एक question and then literature का एक section MCQs को भी कर दी. That's a terrible error in our board examination. Now this error has to be eliminated right from grade 2 when we start taking our half yearly exams or our final exams. We need to tell the students this is not going to work. You will not be given. Board game may we give the exams. But here, I think if we have announced that, if we have discussed it with the students, so we should be deducting the marks for the same. We should be telling the parents, kids, see, this is the case. I'm not going to deliver marks for that, so that we are also clear. The parent is also clear. इस चीज के marks नहीं मिलेंगे तो मतलब नहीं मिलेंगे. बस बात खत्म. And then errors in MCQ. What do? We write 2 options, C or D. You check whichever you feel like. Children, they do make these mistakes. Why do they make? Because they haven't understood the concept very well. Third problem, ignoring the proper formats. Notice writing में date has to be written towards the left hand side or towards the right hand side. Letters की जो positioning है, that is towards the extreme left. The new paragraph has to be started from the center or from the extreme left hand side. Always a trouble. I'll tell you how to overcome that trouble also. And then repeating lines, weak organization in the literature answers. We all know this kind of a problem arises जब हमने second onwards बच्चा नहीं train किया है to write appropriate answers. Weak grammar foundations. एक चीज which my teacher told me was that के जो इंग्लिश है ना वो क्लास में इंग्लिश टीचर ही पढ़ा रहा है. Nobody else outside is teaching English or conversing in English. Parents घर पे obviously नहीं कर रहे हैं. Teachers of the other subjects are using bilingual language, might or might not be using English. Only an English teacher in English class is using English. How much time do we offer? 35 minutes in total, 40 minutes in total. But then organization of the class, copies, introduction and all those kind of things. So it remains out to be just 20-25 minutes. The child is listening to an English teacher inside the class. So we always, when we are good at spoken English, when we are able to communicate flawlessly in English, the credit never goes to a parent or the school. It goes directly to that English teacher. Be it the child, be it the parent. मैम जो सीखा स्कूल में ही सीखा, पर जब नहीं कुछ सीखा तो वो भी स्कूल में ही सीखा. अगर बच्चे को 10th तक इंग्लिश बोलने लिखनी नहीं आ रही है, so we have to take the responsibility. हमने नहीं सिखाया, we lagged somewhere, and now onwards, one step a day, one small step at one point of time. That also we will discuss how. Okay? Limited vocabulary. A very common problem. आपके PTM पे जब पेरेंट्स आते होंगे तो they must be telling you कि मैम vocabulary बहुत weak है इसकी, प्लीज कुछ करो vocabulary increase करने के लिए, and all those kind of things. We all hear that during our PTMs. English teachers specifically, not just English teachers, all language teachers specifically. Vocabulary बहुत इसकी खराब है, vocabulary को enhance करने के लिए कुछ करो. ठीक? Formats and presentation we've already discussed. Poor time management. एक क्वेश्चन को लिखने लगेंगे तो इतना लेंथी लिख देंगे. We exceed the word limit. We don't structure our children to follow that word limit. 30 to 40 words means 3 to 4 sentences. 20 to 30 words means 3 sentences. That's okay. That's enough. Don't go beyond. Because when you go beyond, you write unnecessary and you tend to commit more and more mistakes. Exam stress and anxiety, everybody knows about the conceptual clarity. अब बच्चे लिख क्यों नहीं पा रहे हैं? क्योंकि समझ ही नहीं पा रहे हैं. समझाना किसने है? As teachers, हमने समझाना है. That means our methods are not working if the children are not able to put that back into our examination. Value-based questions CBSE की तरफ से for grade 12 English, 10th English also हट गए थे before COVID. But now this year again, since last year, they've again included those value-based questions for the children. Has anyone wondered why they have included? Because they are not checking our knowledge. They are not checking our conceptual knowledge. Maths का formula नहीं check हो रहा है. Science की equations नहीं check हो रही हैं. In English, what is CBSE checking is how the child is able to communicate the ideas. इतने सालों में अगर उसके दिमाग में कोई idea था, is he using the translation method to reproduce that idea or what? And how the English teachers, actually वो assessment बच्चों की नहीं होती है, assessment teachers की ही होती है. I know it sounds very weird to listen कि हर चीज की responsibility हमारी ही है. हाँ जी, हर चीज की responsibility हमारी ही है. We have to accept that. If we are into this profession of teaching, if we are a teacher, if we have stepped in as a teacher, then we have to take the responsibility. Incomplete preparation and revision हो गया, बार बार क्या करना है, आर्टिकल्स कितनी बार तो करा दिए, हाँ करा दिए, बहुत बार करा दिए. What can we do? We can increase the difficulty levels. 6th क्लास की बुक में से आर्टिकल्स करा दिए, उस क्लास की एक्सरसाइजेस करा दी, yes done. Now when it comes to test, pick up a 7th class book so that you actually test whether they've understood it or not. Distractions. I won't talk about it. Distractions we all know. Social media and phones. English बर्बाद करके रख दी है social media ने, with all those slangs and Gen Z slangs and all those kind of things. So English total बर्बाद ही है. But now we have to bring back that our old English which we have studied as graduates and postgraduates. Please don't think it doesn't exist anymore or it is obsolete. No, it is not. English के पेपर में Gen Z slangs नहीं check होते हैं. इंग्लिश के पेपर में इंग्लिश की राइटिंग ही चेक. एंड देन एनसीईआरटी एंड टेक्स्ट बुक्स. आई एम गोइंग टू कोरिलेट दिस व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट वोकैबुलरी. आई हैव माय फ्लेमिंगो बुक हियर. आई डोंट नो, है ना, एवरीबॉडी मस्ट बी हैविंग द बुक्स विद देम. Before the starting, so I won't be able to reverse the camera right now. So before the starting of every chapter, there are some expressions which are given in the text. There are certain phrases which are already given in the text. So when we open up our plus 2 ki books, everybody must be having whichever book. So there are expressions. For example, now just open this Indigo chapter. So the 4 expressions which are given: urge the departure, conflict of duties, harbor a man like me, seek a prop. Very good idioms. Can be used in daily life also. तो हमें बाहर कहीं vocabulary ढूंढने के लिए ना, we don't need to go anywhere. We don't need to search different books. We don't need to search articles. There is no need. अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक में, अपने चैप्टर में, you will find at least 5 to 10 words which you can use daily with them. Flashcards can be made, a wall on the class can be made where you write, suppose I started with this chapter, and now as and when I'm coming across a difficult word which the children are not able to relate themselves to, I write that word on the, that's I put up a sticky on that word wall. Every day when I enter the class, I use that word wall. पहले वो देखेंगे, पहले दीवार देखेंगे, बाकी काम बाद में करेंगे. Now what did I do? I revised what I had done yesterday. I will be adding more to it when I'll be doing my subsequent chapter. तो vocabulary अगर words use करने शुरू कर देंगे, I don't think we need to refer to any other book for enhancing our vocabularies or put up some special effort to teach vocabulary to the students. That was what I do in my class. This is what I do in my classes. अब हमारी biggest trouble with the grammar and usage. I won't be discussing because being English teachers we know कि ये problem है ही है. Understood. हमने क्या किया इसको solve करने के लिए. Past perfect, simple past. Every English teacher knows this is a jam जो हमें break करके रख देता है. हम खुद कंफ्यूज, I get confused. I don't talk about anyone. I get confused कि ये क्या है, ये पास्ट परफेक्ट यूज किया है कि सिंपल पास्ट यूज किया. फिर देन आई कि इनवेरिएबली कुछ भी यूज कर लो, इट इज ऑल करेक्ट. ना बंदे को समझ तो आ रहा है ना, समझ नहीं आ रहा है, बोर्ड को समझ में नहीं आता है. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट स्पेसिफिकेशंस, तो इट डजंट कम. सो व्हाट डू वी डू? चैट जीटीपी खोलो, मेक यूज ऑफ एआई. जितने मर्जी क्वेश्चंस यू आस्क, गिव मी 25 क्वेश्चंस विद दिस डिफरेंस. पहले अपने आप सॉल्व करो, 15 मिनट लगेंगे, उससे ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. देन गिव इट टू योर चिल्ड्रन. एवरीबॉडी हैज दैट AI rooms. Just put up the picture. कोई ये भी नहीं है कि कुछ डाउनलोड करना है, वर्कशीट निकालनी है, प्रिंट आउट निकालने हैं. आजकल तो the things are so simplified. It is just we have to simplify ourselves. एक ना बड़ा अच्छा कोट पढ़ा था कहीं. I think that would relate to what I'm saying. Your students are benefited the most when you are rested and present. सवेरे ही आते ही सर ने बोल दिया आज जी स्पेशल असेंबली है, चलो बच्चे तैयार करो, स्पीच लिखो। स्पीच लिखो, व्हाट मैंने क्या किया, सवेरे आते ही शुरू हो गए। This is what happens with all the English teachers. That has happened many times with me. है ना, आते ही शुरू हो गए। अभी तो बंदे ने सांस भी नहीं लिया बस से, अभी जस्ट आई गॉट डाउन। अभी तो अभी आई एम नॉट इवन कमिंग टू ऑफ यू नो बीइंग अ टीचर। अभी मैं चल रही हूँ लेजरली आफ्टर साइनिंग द अटेंडेंस रजिस्टर। अब आते ही है ना, कम टू द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफिस एंड राइट ऑल दीस थिंग्स। आई एम फॉर व्हाट डू आई डू? या तो आई टेक दैट हाय हाय रोज गई काम नहीं दिखती हूँ kind of expressions we all have, या फिर God for the new opportunity, whatever I'll be able to do in 10-15 minutes, I'll give my best. तो या तो मैं वो नेगेटिव माइंडसेट के साथ ही चलती रहूंगी सारा दिन, और फिर मैं उसको लिंगर ऑन भी करूंगी। I'll talk to people कि इनको और कोई दिक्कत नहीं, जब काम कराना हो तो मेरी बारी, जब इंक्रीमेंट लगाना हो तो उसकी बारी, है ना। ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ टॉक्स व्हिच वी हैव। काम करने के लिए मैं, डांटने के लिए भी मैं, काम भी मैं ही सारा करूंगा, डांट भी मैं ही खाऊं। सो ये होना ही है इंग्लिश टीचर्स के साथ। एंड इसमें प्रिंसिपल्स की गलती, एज ए प्रिंसिपल नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड कि प्रिंसिपल्स की कोई गलती होती नहीं है, व्हिच वी विल टॉक समडे लेटर, नॉट द क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ, द थिंग इन क्वेश्चन। ठीक है,
एब्सोल्युटली राइट। व्हेन यू स्टेप इनटू द शूज ऑफ अदर्स, नो, देन ओनली कम टू नो वेयर इट पिंचेस। अभी प्रिंसिपल्स का शूज पिंच पता चल रहा है ना?
नहीं सर, इतना भी नहीं है। जितना हुआ क्रिएट हो जाता है ना, इट इज जस्ट व्हाट आई वांट टू से कि एज अ प्रिंसिपल व्हाट आई डू इज के आजो बैठो, एक ग्लास पानी का पिलाऊंगी, धीरे धीरे करके वो। बट जब एकदम से एकदम आ जाता है ना, यू आर नॉट इवन मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर व्हाट इज कमिंग, तो फिर then that creates a little trouble.
Yeah, people have different ways of working. I agree with you.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Please carry on.
Yes. Incorrect use of articles. हमने द कहाँ यूज करना है, कहाँ एलिमिनेट करना है, हमें पता है यही प्रॉब्लम है। We all know this is the only problem. A and everybody knows. Phonetic sounds के साथ everybody knows the usage. But where we don't use or where we omit, eliminate, that we don't focus on. तो हम अपनी क्लासेस में क्या कर रहे हैं इतने सालों से? जहाँ यूज करना है वही बताई जा रही है। जहाँ पे वो नॉट यूजिंग, ओमिशन या एलिमिनेशन की बात आ जाती है, we don't touch that. Either तो we don't touch or we don't explain that in detail. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे 5 periods already लग चुके हैं। अब now 5 periods I cannot give to all those things. Now here I would like to suggest all the teachers to structure our lesson plans. Structure. At 4 में I am introducing the articles A and N. The 4 वालों को सिर्फ मैंने ये बोलना है कि पूरे साल तुमने सिर्फ उसकी यूजेज के ऊपर ही फोकस करना है. Focus on just the usage of A and N. 5th में when I start with my class, I just give 2 days to revise what they have done in grade 4 already. Agar I have revised it very thoroughly, comprehensively, children will not forget. Repetition, that also will, I'll come ke how do we remember? Repetition जब हम करते हैं तो they don't forget. When एक last lesson है ना, our textbook का first chapter, last lesson हमने पहले अप्रैल में पढ़ा, वो जाके हमने next जनवरी में रिवाइज किया, they will tend to forget. Human nature. Difficulty in forming complex and compound sentences, है ना. So I was talking about articles. 4th में I told कि बस you just focus on the usage only. You give them comprehensive exercises, whatever you can give just for usage. Then when I come to 5th, I just take 2 days for revision of usage, and then I give all my 6 days for the where it is not used. 6th में I use a combination. जब 3 साल इस repeatedly किया, child comes to 8, well versed with articles हो जाएगा, he will never forget the articles. One more thing I want to add, why are we doing this grammar portion? 12th में नहीं आता है, 10th में बहुत limited portion हो गया, only of 10 marks. तो 10 marks के लिए इतना करेंगे. As for speaking, as for communication, everybody is able to speak, but we don't take care of the usage of many percent. I don't of the tense, present continuous. So which I don't think that this is used when the child goes for UPSC for their different competitive exams. Grammar के related ही questions पूछेंगे. Obviously, they will not ask anything related to the textual portion. Your comprehension skills, your grammar only be I should be efficient enough कि उसको कोई ऐसा ना लगे कि मैंने स्कूल में नहीं कभी सुना था. या मुझे स्कूल वालों ने ढंग से नहीं कराया था। आप ही करा रहे हो माय डियर टीचर्स, हम ही करा रहे हैं वो सब, हमने ही कराना है, बाहर नोबडी इज डूइंग, नोबडी विल डू, nobody will teach them this, we only have to teach them and we have to take pains in teaching them. अगर मेरा पैशन है मैं करूंगी, मैं जरूर करूंगी, maybe then if I have to go beyond the time, beyond the limits of the school curriculum, I would go only if I have passion. The next is vocabulary. I have already told, we don't need to go beyond the books. Whatever is given in our books, we make a word wall. As soon as we enter the class, we repeat those word wall ke words first, then we go to the next, and by the time our chapter is complete, you will have a list of 10 to 12 words. Then we can spend 10-15 minutes in asking them, batao bhai, those words which are used in our textbooks, they are very general usage ke words, they are not that difficult words. Whenever the child comes to us, पर उसके लिए हमारी अपनी vocabulary strong होनी चाहिए. Whenever the child comes to us, how are you feeling? I'm good. Do we have good की replacements? Do we have synonyms of good? अगर होंगे हमारे पास, हम हमारे को याद होंगे, we will immediately tell the child, बेटा इसकी जगह ये भी तो यूज कर सकते हैं. You are happy, you are related. ठीक है, तो वो बच्चे को याद रहेगा. इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन व्हेन वी डू विद आवर स्टूडेंट्स, इट विल ऑलवेज बी इनटू द माइंड कि मैम ने मुझे एक बार वो बोला था, मैम ने, मैंने गुड बोला था तो मैम ने मुझे वो बताया था. दे रिमेंबर, they do remember, whether it is a junior class child or a senior class child, they do remember. When we prepare our stage managers, we try, दो ही बच्चे हैं ना स्टेज मैनेजिंग के, we tell them, बेटा ये नहीं, सिंपल नहीं निकला वो चीज. Then they will find it themselves, they will use it and they'll repeatedly use it because they are practicing. 15 बार practice होती है, then they are going on the stage. दो बच्चों को तो याद हो ही जाएगा. And then when they will use with their friends, उनको भी याद हो जाएंगे. Chain reaction will go on. Let us try with one child. Let us do it with one child, no matter what. Reading comprehension, very very important. 10 marks से उठा 20 marks से 18 marks, this reading section has seen many changes. अब हमारा problem, they are not able to read and comprehend what is it. हम एक unseen passage को देख रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन का जहां मार्किंग दिख गया, कोई एक वर्ड दिख गया, we get that hint कि it is from this paragraph, we note down that paragraph. CBSE is not marking. पंजाब में भी मार्क, आई डोंट नो पंजाब, लेट अस नॉट टॉक अबाउट पंजाब, हुशियारपुर में भी मार्क, पैराग्राफ में से कुछ भी लिख दिया है, कुछ कुछ नियर बाय है, वी गिव देम मार्क्स. आउटसाइड दे डोंट गिव मार्क्स, नॉट इवन इन लुधियाना, दे मार्क इट रॉन्ग, स्पेशली फॉर अ 2 mark आंसर. MCQs में तो अब कोई चॉइस ही नहीं है, सो MCQs if it is wrong, it is wrong, but where we have to write 2 sentences, 2 marks के questions are also there in our comprehensions, so if we pick and paste from the paragraph, they are not given complete credit for the same. Okay, so how do we do that? That also we need to come. Writing skills, again vocabulary भी नहीं है, interpretation भी नहीं है, तो it is quite obvious that हमारी vocabulary, writing skills भी खराब हो जाएंगी. अब informal way of teaching writing skills. I'm an ICSE student, moral science का subject होता था, अभी भी होता है शायद. So our father, he used to say, moral science के पेपर में 40 marks के 2 questions, he used to go to 80 marks के पेपर, so it's just 2 questions. Earlier in the days of my school, my name was Rajni. Later in 10th standard, due to some changes, पता नहीं what happened, it changed to Rashmi. And उन दिनों में parents भी इतने को ज़्यादा bother नहीं करते थे, जो भी हो गया चलो बात नहीं है. So moral science का पेपर था. The question is what is the meaning and what is your name written? What is the meaning of your name written? What is the significance of it? I was like, I told father, रात होता है, अब रात का मतलब तो पता नहीं क्या होता है, रात is all negative and all those kind of things. And then I said कि I don't have many sentences to write about it because there was nothing to write about it. The answer which I was given, which I was told, the guidance which I was given was, you write. Whatever comes to your mind, na, you write. Whatever you know about night, you write. Just write. Irrespective of the linkage, the significance of the question asked, I was just told, write. लिखो. 3 पेज लिखने हैं, मतलब 3 पेज लिखने ही लिखने हैं. लिख, whatever. Only in graduate that friends develop support of the teacher. उस दिन टीचर मुझे ये बोलता कि क्या है, सब जने लिख रहे हैं, तेरे को क्या प्रॉब्लम है ना, यू आर वर्थ नथिंग, we use the sentences in our classes. You won't be ever able to increase writing skills. मुझे lecture तो दे दिया कि मेरी writing कभी improve नहीं होगी, vocabulary नहीं improve होगी, skill मेरी कभी improve. I was not given solution. That day during the test, I was giving a solution. You write whatever comes to your mind regarding night. You write. I actually wrote. I don't know what I wrote, but I wrote. And that paper was thrown. Irrelevant, insignificant. I am not giving marks for that, but I am giving marks for attemptation, for at least trying. And this is what we have to tell our children, which is very practical. नहीं आ रहा ना, कोई बात नहीं, तू लिख. तेरे को स्टोरी में से कुछ भी समझ आया, तू लिख. Yes, then step by step move on to the child to, give them concrete ideas on what to write. But initially, if they're struggling with writing, we tell them, likho, and we give them credit for at least trying. We do not give them any credit for, writing nonsense. Nonsense that they don't write, whatever they write. Literature ke question mein, these questions, critical thinking questions, they are all added. Okay? Now here I'm going to give one example. Again, C+2 English. The enemy. This task of 4th chapter, the enemy. Just giving you one example, but this can be related to any other chapter. Yeah, wanted to give an example from the chapter itself so that you understand what I'm trying to say. I think without examples, that is difficult to understand. Very long chapter. It takes at least 3 to 4 days just to read that chapter, and we have to read it line by line, because we have those questions, MCQ based questions also. So until or unless we don't understand the text, we're able to answer that. Now, after I come to chapter, I have 4 questions. They're all exhausted. By the time we ended on the 4th day. Now, lamba chapter question उसमें से एक ही आना है. That also works with the mind of the teacher also. एक ही question के लिए ऐसे 40 पेजों का chapter बनाया हुआ है. But just to generate interest, I asked the biggest aha moment of the chapter. Biggest aha moment means the moment which you liked the best in the chapter. They had multiple answers. When the prisoner of war was saved, or when Hannah and Sadao were standing hands in hands to looking towards the shore. General, the general when he said why he had to come, and all those kind of things. मजा आ गया general की बात सुन के कि वाह, as a general, this is what you do, this is what your thinking should be, just because you want to save the doctor. Many moments. Okay? Now this question was answered by at least 6 to 7 students of the class. I was not checking the correct answer. You don't have to check the correct answer. What I'm checking is their interpretation of the story, their communication, their viewpoint. What did they think after reading the story? Second question, still wondering, do you think there's still something left? Something which makes you wonder, why did Sadao do that? Or you have an answer for that? Some had the answers, it was correct, and whatever he could do for the prisoner of war, he could do, but as a patriot, he did not fulfill his duties, whatever. Multiple answers for the same question. Multiple children in the class, they had their own perceptions in mind. 2 people started with Hindi, then I told them, let us discuss that in English. Third question asked, do you plan to try anything of that sort? Anything of that sort. We knew that we were under a warlike situation recently. Connecting it to that, do you plan to try that? Had that soldier of Pakistan entered our territory, what would our reaction be? What would, as a person, what I would have done? Would I have handed him over to the police? Or would I have taken care of him and planned his escape? What are your thoughts? Again, multiple answers. No right or wrong answers, all multiple answers. And then last of all, an example worth sharing. है कुछ ऐसा क्या दिमाग में which you want to share? These 4 prompts, 4 answers, 36 children of my class answered whatever came to their mind. Everybody spoke, maybe 2, but they spoke. And with this, we covered 2 value-based questions. If I talk English, from every chapter, there are only 2 value-based questions which are repeatedly asked. कोई paper देख लो, directly, indirectly, those are the questions which are asked. There is no new question ever. That formation of question is only changed. बाकी कुछ नहीं change होता. It is same for every year rather. So what I touched was I touched the value-based questions also. I touched their critical thinking also. I touched their logical sequencing of ideas also. I think my task was done. 2 marks के question answers अपने आप लिख ही सकते हैं if these criteria is done in class. And to be very honest to teachers, it did not take much time. If we think के मेरे पास 162 or 170 days we have in a whole year round for the classes, and we have 19 chapters, and then we have writing की exercises. तो अगर हम उतना break down करके चले, this just took one period, 35 minutes. Yes, I took 10 minutes extra of the other teacher कोई बात नहीं, for once in a while if I take that doesn't matter. But then I was satisfied. This chapter is done and complete with my students. They know it well. From wherever the question comes, now they will be able to answer. Simple as that. Exams. I to discuss. We all discuss poor time management. Reading section को will take a lot of time क्योंकि बहुत difficult है, हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Question का formatting नहीं समझ में आया. Too short. Again, time management. Question 2 lines, 3 marks a question, 3 or 4 lines. That's it. We write one big paragraph, and then for a long answer type, we write a short kind of a paragraph for that answer. Mismanagement of the answers, not limiting ourselves to the word deduction of marks. And by the end of the 3-hour paper, we are not able to revise our paper, because when we revise our papers, so बहुत सारी mistakes ऐसी हैं which we ourselves only find out, and we are able to rectify that. But the biggest trouble with our children is एक बार पेपर खत्म हो गया, बस बंद करके रख दिया, बस 3 hour का पेपर over, time is over now, बस अब मैं इसको I cannot read this paper. But then from the very early years, we have to put the children into the practice. 10 minutes prior, 15 minutes prior, you have to get over with the paper, and we make it mandatory during our invigilation duties. Please study your paper once again. Please look into the formats once again. Please check the neatness of your paper once again. If you have not drawn the lines, do it. The foundational classes say the things start, which will take up to the higher classes. Now, what can we do? My first point is proper evaluation of copies. हमने aha moment discuss कर लिया, हमने still wondering moment also हमने discuss कर लिया. चलो plan to try तो ज़्यादा value based हो जाएगा, only for discussion. Example worth sharing also beyond our text. If we come back to board examination, 2 चीजें मैंने discuss की. I asked them, write it down. Simple as that. Now what we do is we consider, ठीक है नहीं है इतना, actualities, realities quite different. Consider हमारे पास बहुत सारा, we are not able to check the copies properly. ठीक है, we all come up with this के इतना सारा checking work है, कहाँ check करते फिर. I would recommend जो हमारे grammar के portions हैं, we discuss those answers in the class and pick up peer checking. We redistribute copies. Copy मेरे पास, मेरी copy तेरे पास, and we do that checking. That checking can easily be done. You don't have to take out those books or those copies outside the class. But when it comes to literature checking, you have to do it. आप चाहे week का एक question दो, but then you have to ensure. मेरा 6th standard में I'm going on, my lesson plan is framed in such a manner that if in 6th standard my grammar portion is going on, 7th standard में I will have my copy checking. 7th standard में I'll do something which is related to my literature part, so that वहाँ वाली checking मेरी थोड़ी सी कम हो जाएगी, so I will be able to focus on that. अब it's October month going on, ठीक है, कितने months हो गए? April, May, June we don't consider, July, August, September also we did. 4 months हो गए. By 4 months, जितनी भी copies आपने check की हैं, you must have come to one conclusion कि this child lacks in this area. अब अगेन एन एग्जाम्पल, हम डॉक्टर जाते हैं, डॉक्टर को हमने बताया ये प्रॉब्लम है, डॉक्टर ने, हमने तो क्या बताया, डॉक्टर ने डायग्नोस कर लिया कि ये प्रॉब्लम है. तब तक हेल्प नहीं होगा एक पेशेंट का जब तक हम उसको रेमेडी नहीं बताएंगे. तो कॉपी तो मैंने चेक कर ली, मेरे तो दिमाग में है इसका ये प्रॉब्लम है, राइटिंग की प्रॉब्लम है, प्रेजेंटेशन की, whichever problem we talk about, but I did not talk about it with the child. I did not even mention it to the child ever, because of which our mistakes are carried forward year by year till they reach the board examination, and sometimes the through outline. Subject verb concord we talk about. I has, most of the children, they make this mistake because we are not correcting those mistakes. When we are correcting, हमने क्या किया, कॉपी चेक की, वहां अंडरलाइन कर दी मिस्टेक. इतना टाइम नहीं है, we genuinely understand, करेक्शन लिखने का टाइम नहीं है. But then at least after 3 months, एक बार तो चाइल्ड को बुलाओ, बेटे तेरी ना 3 months से I've checked this, I have come to the conclusion you have a problem with this. Now whenever I check copy, so please, या तो you ask me, है ना, sometimes separately, how can I overcome this mistake? You practice at home and then show me your, and then we see whether the construction of sentences is proper or not. But we have to present a diagnostic study to the parent as well as the child. जब तक हम वो नहीं करेंगे, तब तक बच्चे वो गलती year by year they will keep repeating. WhatsApp group, I think in all the schools they are made. शाम को अगर हम we run away with those WhatsApp groups, sending messages and all till late nights also, and we keep attending the parents calls also till late nights. एक अगर आपका कॉल एज ए टीचर जाए शाम को कि बेटे तेरी कॉपी चेक कर रही थी, we put the phone on speaker, let the parent also hear कि बेटे तेरी कॉपी चेक की थी, this was the mistake I found, this is how we can improvise mistake, please next time whenever I get your copy, this mistake should not be repeated. If you want more clarification on this, please do meet me tomorrow. Now you are putting two birds with one stone. और genuine interest in the child, मैंने मुझे था, the parent is also going to listen to you and feel that the teacher is genuinely interested in my child. देखो अगेन, है ना, तभी करेंगे day 1. 2 बच्चों को कॉल करो, बस 2 बच्चों का बताओ कि बच्चे ये बार बार मिस्टेक्स आ रही हैं and this is how we have to rectify those mistakes. एक एक करके करने लगोगे, हो जाएंगे. Nothing is impossible in this world, nothing at all. So this was about the proper evaluation of the copies. जब हम काम दे रहे हैं तो या तो हम बहुत अच्छे तरीके से उसको चेक करें या फिर हम ना. We don't want formalities to be done. हाँ, जो आप डिक्टेट करा रहे हो, that still can be ignored once. That you are giving for dictation, that you are dictating. I think everybody must be writing all the difficult words on the board or the sentences on the board, whatever way you people are using. But when you are giving something for homework, which the child has to attempt on his own, that has to be checked very particularly and very minutely. वहाँ पे diagnosis and checking तो हो गया, but then we have to discuss also that with the child so that the child knows कि मेरी गलती वो कहाँ गई है. Repetition and reinforcement, again the same thing which I've already repeated. Word wall बनाई है, every day I'm writing the words, every day when I'm entering the class I'm telling the children to look onto the wall, use these words, frame those sentences. Just a 5-minute task, it doesn't take much time. This is what I have practically experienced. It doesn't at all take. सुनने में ऐसा लग रहा हो कि हाँ word wall कौन बनाएगा, and then you put up the words, कौन लिखेगा उसको, कौन, कुछ भी नहीं टाइम लगता मैम, कुछ भी नहीं. वर्ड वॉल नहीं बनाएंगे, ब्लैक बोर्ड का साइड का एक ले लो पार्ट. इफ स्मार्ट रूम्स आर देयर, एक पीडीएफ, इट इज जस्ट हेयर. बहुत ज्यादा काम, कोई बात नहीं, आ जाए जितना मर्जी का, both different statements. Answer key discussion. One very important feature which we miss during our examination is discussion of answer keys. As English teachers, we should always discuss answer keys so that unseen passages में whichever difficult words we have put, we can discuss those words with the students. हो गया vocabulary का काम. Question papers are with them. Tell them यहीं पे इसका meaning लिख लो. Reinforcing those words again and again. अपनी word wall पे वो वाला word भी लगा दो. And then we tell when we discuss our grammatical errors. That can also be rectified. Why this is the answer and this is not the answer. Why here and whatever has to be written, and why it has to be eliminated there. Error correction में what kind of strategy you have to use in case you get this thing in the examination. Half our things are sorted out there. Then in answers, my keywords were this. It takes full 1 period to discuss your answer key. If your answer key is discussed well, no child will come to you, मैम यहाँ मेरा 1 marks बढ़ा दो, यहाँ मेरे 2 marks कम कर दो, वहाँ उसको आपने 2 marks दिए, मैंने आपको 1 marks दिया. Because that clarity has to be with you. Then you are clear in your evaluation. So these kind of stresses, extra stresses which we have during our examination, या आप PTA महाराज जी रिजल्ट डिस्कस होना है, आप कोई ना कोई गलती लेके आएगा, प्रिंसिपल सर ऑफिस में बुलाएंगे, and ना मीटिंग इज गोइंग टू बी हेल्ड, and target not all these hours. When we tell the children कि this is the answer which I desired, this is what you have written, most of the children have written, this is the common mistake. इससे again diagnosis of the common mistakes of the entire class. That means that topic is not clear with the maximum children of my class. I need to work upon this once again. Quantity नहीं देखनी है हमने. 8 parts of speech हैं, 2 ही कराएंगे सेशन में. एक फर्स्ट टर्म में करा लो, एक सेकंड टर्म में करा लो, 2 ही कराओ. बट 2 फिर ऐसे हों, any question related to that ever in their life it comes, they should be able to answer. And they should be able to remember you. तो मैम ने कराया था उस क्लास में, मजेदार कराया था, स्वाद आ गया था, याद है अभी तक, भूले नहीं है. Then flip teaching method, again very important and very interesting method. It works wonders. I'm telling you, it works wonders. Flip teaching, sit down at the back of the class, enjoy the class. Let a child of yours come and explain that poem or that poem or poem. It's both the ways. So explain that chapter to the class. Summarize it. बच्चे की preparation भी हो गई.
May I?
Peer group की.
Ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Because you touched a very sensitive
7 minutes.
issue. No, that will do. Poem or poem? Just I wanted to add a bit of my advice into that. This word POEM has 2 syllables, not 1. All English teachers must be very familiar with that. It has 2 syllables.
Yes, they should be.
If we go by this, it either should be poem, poem, or poem.
Yes.
Poem cannot be there because poem has only 1 syllable.
No.
If we say poem, because teachers say poem, they teach the same to the students. They also start saying poem. Hindi wala P ko O ki matra ma, poem. That is absolutely wrong. Either you poem, you call it poem or poem. दोनों चलेंगे, but poem नहीं, please. All the English teachers. It's not poem, right? Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Right. I'll try to wind up within these 40 minutes. एक चीज I've tried to explain. So flip teaching methods we were discussing about. So flip teaching method also works practically in the classes. For example, this especially works for writing sections. Now, writing sections, what happens is the children, they lack ideas. शायद लिखना आता हो, but then they don't have the organization of ideas. Dialogue writing, okay? 2 people standing discussing something about pollution. General thing, discussing about any related topic. आपस में conversation हो रही है, so communication also, and then we are checking their knowledge also. We as a teacher, we just act as facilitator, where we refine whatever they are saying. Descriptive paragraphs, analytical paragraphs, all can be shown, and let them think and discuss with the class what do they think about. Now here our role as a teacher is to provide them with connectors. moreover, therefore, however, all those kind of words. We are going to just assist them and facilitate them. Another method, grade 10 के बच्चे लोग, tell them जाओ active वैसे पढ़ा के आओ grade 7 में. Not the class, call them. 2 children of the class. 3 children rather. एक present tense discuss कर ले, then a past tense, एक future tense. Take 3 children of the class. Tell them, you discuss, sit there behind the class and just monitor what they are doing and whether they are, doing it well. That's also a practical method already done in my classes. It works. Children to children, they are able to connect more than maybe a teacher to child. Peer discussions and group learning. We've already done that. We already do that, I think, in our classes. We sit in the groups and discuss about. Now, this discuss also the ones with the prompts which I discussed earlier. The biggest aha moment. Discuss. Any example which you are which you relate with that? Share. Continuous assessment. See, teachers, it is very important for us to conduct regular tests and quizzes. Again, for the sake of diagnosing the problem. Problem hai kahan, aa kahan rahi hai. So that we even tell our teachers, as a 10th standard, 12th standard की teacher can tell to the other teachers. एक हमारा notion होता है 12th में. 12th में आके मैं क्या पढ़ाऊँ? 12th में तो आके I can just go with the books, the syllabus, the curriculum. I have to finish the curriculum in the stipulated time. उसके अलावा extra I cannot teach anything. So blame goes grade 11 ने बुलाया, grade 10 ने कुछ नहीं कराया. 10 वाला बोलेगा ये 9, 8 में कुछ नहीं करके आया. 8 वाला बोलेगा 6, 7 में कुछ नहीं करके आया. So that process goes on. We have taught that process. We have to take the responsibility. Okay? So let us take the responsibility. कुछ कोई इसमें बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं. We sit, we discuss, collaboratively work, and that will work wonders for our children. When everybody is. Now, how do we transform our classrooms? Here the line states, start the invisible curriculum today. This invisible curriculum, just as we have started in the previous slide, your flip teaching method. बच्चों को नहीं पता. Just tell them 1 day in advance that tomorrow you have to give a presentation. How did we do pronouns? Pronouns in the class, they were done. Types of pronouns, एक बच्चे को दिया, तू qualitative, तू quantitative, तू this, तू that, ये वाला. Given, come on the board and explain it to the class. Clarity to them also, clarity to their peers also. This 100% works inside the class. And I did not utilize any extra period for that. In my own period, I did. So let us see how we have to transform our classrooms. English during the timetable, it is mostly after recess. It is seen. If you are a class teacher, then it is in the beginning. There are timetable constraints. We cannot keep it, everywhere. Everybody wants के first, second, third lecture हमारा हो जाए, and then the children after maybe lunch break they go off, mentally off. So we settle the class. 3 deep breaths. 3. How much time it is going to take? Not even 30 seconds. During the lessons, we ask, how do you think this is going to appear in your examination? What questions can you frame from this? आपका question bank भी ready. Children are also mentally prepared. इस chapter में से यही आना है. Okay? Praise students for trying, not just getting it right, as people have already told you. No science learning. I was just appreciated for making an effort. I was not appreciated for the right of our answers. And then, हम 3 stakeholders हैं. Parents, teachers, and students. So we have to keep parents in the loop. Anytime we call the parent, we ask, and do you ask what the child has learned? Can you see the progress? Critical है. Parent will say, नहीं ma'am, कुछ नहीं improvement है. 10 times they will say. 11th time they will say, नहीं ma'am, थोड़ा सा तो कुछ लग ही रहा. If your genuine efforts are good. Memory. We talked about the memory. Okay? So last minute की very short, very short. Then we relate it to daily practice. The memory improves. I have my chart in the class. If I tell them with the storytelling method, they will always remember. There was one CBP of English language only. I attended that some 12 years back. Communicative का course चलता था तब English का. I don't know how many of you are teaching communicative का course. एक Bishop's Candlesticks नाम का एक था last chapter of communicative. The resource person, I don't remember her name. She was here from some Punjab, but very cant principal जिसको कहते हैं ना English language में, that kind of a principal. So she asked us, close your eyes. she narrated that bishop's candlesticks in such a manner. We teach the children voice modulation. We teach children action. This is how we require you on the stage. What we ourselves do? Plain monotonous voice may we keep delivering our lectures. Nobody is going to listen to us this way. Nobody is going to listen to this CBP also if I say whatever my content in this one same monotonous tone. Will you be able to listen to me with an interest? No, not at all. Nobody will be able to. So being English teachers, शर्म नहीं क्लास में कि बड़े बच्चे बोलेंगे कि मैम को टोन क्या हो गया आज. Why is she using different kind of voices from her throat? Again, I owe my all English teachings to my own English teachers. MA English teacher, I know all those who have done MA. Walpon, we had a novel. Walpon में the characters were given the characteristics of the animals. MA की क्लास में जो मेरे टीचर थे, she used to take out those voices, crow की voice, jackal की voice, and she used to say those dialogues in that manner. And being adults, MA का बच्चा adult ही है, तो हम ऐसे लगते थे ये क्या कर रहे हैं? This is so awkward. This is so odd. No, it was very interesting. Try this for your third level. Try this for your last lesson. Try this for your poly. It will 100% work. Relate them to real examples. When you relate, when you are able to correlate the things, you remember it for longer. We all know that as teachers. How we have to correlate, this only goes in our lesson planning. हमारा lesson plan ये नहीं होना चाहिए. Day 1, page number this to this, reading, writing, evaluation, homework. Our lesson plan should consist of कुछ questions. कौन से questions we ask before the chapter? वो B.Ed में पढ़ते थे. Whichever questions, pre-discussion questions. So those kind of questions we write just to show it into the office or to the HOD कि ये introductory questions मैंने पूछने हैं, ये by the end मैंने questions. हाँ जी.
Previous knowledge testing, PK testing.
Yes. Sorry. Oh, my mind was previous knowledge testing questions. My book which I made, lesson plan की notebook, that is not to be made just to give HOD a cross check. No. Just कुछ नहीं दिमाग में आना, मैंने बिना सोचे समझे वो 2-3, क्योंकि मेरे को एक फॉर्मेलिटी पूरी करके देनी है. See, if we plan our lessons well, half of our work is done. बुद्धा की स्टोरी सबने सुनी ही होगी. You give 6 hours for cutting a tree. So there was a man who started cutting the tree there and then one who chiseled his axe, who make his axe pointed, and then within an hour the task was done. तो वो सेकंड वाला पर्सन बन. We plan, we strategize, we think. Books, I think 25 सालों से सेम बुक्स चल रही हैं इंग्लिश. 25 years हो गए मेरे, more than 25 years सेम बुक्स चल रही हैं. But then how are we going to make it interesting every year? This is what our lesson plan has to be. Not the same. Last lesson वही चल रहा है शुरू से. My mother at 66 वही चल रही है. Dust of snow वही चल रही है. My role as teacher is, how do I make my class more interesting? The previous things which I did in previous which did not work, now I have to modify those things. So this is how. Now this is in relation to that only, a simple toolkit for the teachers. What do we need to add to current lessons? Ask better questions, design better questions. Dust of snow वही है, 4 लाइनें पोएम की, वो सदियों से जा रही हैं. Now how I have to improvise on that? Improvisation. I talk about Robert Frost. I talk about when this poem was written. I talk about Kamala Das. My mother at 60. When did she? What was going on in her mind? If ever you have read Kamala Das, so she was a woman who was sexually abused since childhood. Losing her mother means feeling of security which she would lose. थोड़ा सा background में थोड़ा सा रिसर्च कर लो. ChatGPT पे सब कुछ है, AI पे सब कुछ है. ज्यादा भी मेहनत करने की जरूरत नहीं. You don't have to search Google now. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. सुनिए सबने, नर्सरी में राइम कराते हैं, सभी कराते हैं. You know the background of the poem. What was Humpty Dumpty? Why was this poem written? Go and search it today. You'll enjoy it. Partner activities again told. Peer recognition. Parent partnership. We do ask parents, where do you think the child is lacking? So that I strategize my own work. I strategize myself where I have to work with the child. Celebrate small wins. 2 लाइन भी बोली ना बच्चे ने, एक आपने शाबाश बोल दिया क्लास में, वाह, very good. Stickers का works. Even with grade 12 it works. They also keep roaming about with their fists up. आज star मिला ना उनसे. They will appreciate. They will appreciate you. They will respect you as a teacher. 5 minutes daily, 3 deep breaths. We've already discussed. We discussed yesterday's learning from our word wall, and then we end with a positive affirmation. I will not talk about positive affirmation. Rasik sir ने morning affirmations की एक बहुत अच्छी वीडियो बनाई है, which he started in his school. वैसे तो mandatory by CBSE in all the schools, but how it works, why it works, sir की वीडियो must watch है, I would say. Then during the class, we ask why questions. We ask students to partner, and then we relate it to real world. This is all the repetition of what we've done already. And then towards the end of say August or February, what they have learned in the entire term. A comprehensive, cumulative things which we have learned, where we lack. Next session, what I need to improve on. Have they printed their examinations? कर ही लेंगे जितनी discussion होती है. A quick smile and encouragement. Your English results are going to soar like anything. This is a year-by-year plan, and this goes for specific teachers, those who take the classes. Classes 1 and 2. We should be reading the stories. We should be reciting the stories. I'm talking about writing the story. I'm not talking about showing stories on the screen. No. Screen पे show करनी है. Don't use the audio. Use the just video. Recite yourself. वो recite कर रहे हैं. आपका क्या होता है इसमें? the child is not going to honor you or respect you for that. वो YouTube को करेगा. You recite. 3 to 4 classes, logic games, problem solving games, multiple examples on YouTube, on Google. एक बार search करोगे logic games, you have n number. Then 5 to 6, regular testing, writing. We are all going away from writing. We have come back to typing. Writing, write in the class. नहीं लिखेंगे मैम, एक दिन नहीं लिखेंगे, 2 दिन नहीं लिखेंगे, 10 दिन नहीं लिखेंगे, शायद सारा साल भर भी ना लिखेंगे, बट नेक्स्ट टाइम तक के लिए लिखेंगे. They will have to write. And then grade 7 to 8, we celebrate their mistakes and we start preparing them for their board examination. क्योंकि हमारा bottleneck इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम का तो बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन है. We cannot escape that. जो मर्जी हम कर लें क्लासेस में. But ultimately, board results. This is what we want as teachers, as professionals, and this is what the school wants. The management also wants that. And then, these are small prompts which we can use. If you wish, you can take the screenshot also. These are the transition words which we can use in our classes. We can put up, frames in the classes or on our soft boards or wherever. Every day when the child is going to see. Or पीछे मत लगाना please class के. I mean, we have the boards behind the class, which are not seeing like this. They are seeing in front. So this should be somewhere near the space on your near your blackboard, so that even if you are teaching, they are disinterested in your teaching. तो वो तो आगे तो देखेंगे ही. Visual example, एक psychology का example है. I won't be able to do with everyone, but it says के the person asks you to point the finger. So points towards your cheek, points towards your chin. तो हम जो देख रहे होते हैं ना, automatically वो वहाँ पे हम अपनी fingers को place करते हैं. I am saying point towards the wall, but I am placing my finger towards the ceiling. तो वो जो हमारा visual है ना, फिर एकदम से strike करेगा नहीं. Wall बोला था, तो wall की तरफ वो करेंगे. तो जो हमारे visuals है ना, they act more than our sounds. Show and don't tell. Okay? I am feeling, I don't know how to express my feeling. Okay? So again, these are the prompts which you can use inside your classes. Vocabulary words also included in that. Emotions हैं, emotions तो feel करने ही है सबने. Wobbling, grade 12 में भी use होता है बड़ी बार. Staring blankly, we all use it in the class. Jaw dropping performance, वाह, ये वाला shocked है but वो वाला अलग shocked. Bouncing, eyes brightening. ठीक है? We can use these exercises for our 3 and 4 graders, where we tell them कि you just act verbs when we do. Just act, and the other person guesses. So that is an exercise also. आपका grammar का topic भी हो गया, and you are good to go. Sensory word bank. Again, very, very important. Vocabulary also. How to recognize the things, that also. Again, small prompts can be put up in the classrooms. रोज देखेंगे, काम आएगा ही आएगा. They will remember. पानी डाली जाओ, किसी दिन तो पत्थर टूटता है. Now, what it takes to be a good teacher? All the time we need chai. Yes, we need empathy over our ego. एक बच्चे ने मुझे आके बोल दिया कि मैम, या किसी और टीचर को आ गया, वो मैम अच्छे नहीं पढ़ाते, इंग्लिश वाला मैम बहुत बोरिंग है. We take it on our ego. We don't reassess ourselves कि मैंने गलती कहाँ कर रही है, where am I going wrong? Do I need to change my strategies? Do I need to strategize more? Do I need to change my opinion on the things? But हम क्लास में जाके उस बच्चे को क्या बोलेंगे, तेरी हिम्मत कैसी है उसके पास जाने की, भाई मेरे से समझ में नहीं आ रहा, मेरे से पूछना. How dare you go to the other teacher? ठीक है? So instead of looking into our own mistakes, we take it on our egos. Where ego comes into play, things are finished. We are no more a teacher then. That we have to understand. Superhuman patience. पूरा साल भर children will come to you, parents will come to you. मैम सारा साल भर तो इसमें इंग्लिश को कुछ सिखाना. Responsibility is ours. क्योंकि we did not diagnose the problem, we did not give the correct remedy of that problem, and now we have to listen to the music of the management, of the HOD. वो तो 100% sure है, पर सुनना ही पड़ेगा. अगर यही assessment हम कंटिन्यूस रखते हैं अपनी सारा साल भर, कुछ टाइम निकाल के हम रखते. एक हमारे पास ये बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर है, टाइम नहीं है. देखो जी, करने वालों के पास 24 आवर्स ही हैं, ना करने वालों के पास भी 24 आवर्स ही हैं. अंडरस्टूड बहुत टाइम, बहुत काम है स्कूल में, बहुत ज्यादा काम है. वी ऑल अंडरस्टैंड दैट. वी ऑल फेस दैट ब्रंट ईच एंड एवरी डे. पर प्रॉब्लम ही गाते रहेंगे तो सोल्यूशन कब ढूंढेंगे? So let us stop whining over our problems and start looking out for solutions. I maintain a diary. ये तो मैंने करना ही है. इसके पेरेंट्स को तो मैंने कॉल करना ही है. Call means not calling in the school. एक फोन पे बात मैंने करनी ही है. Parents are aggressive. Children are aggressive. Management is aggressive. HODs are. And then principal की calls, warning letters, all those kind of things. You have to be patient. होएगा सब होगा. We will be on the right track someday. Someday, right from today. Clean our slate every day. जो आज हो गया ना, I had a chance to work with the CBSE principal, Mr. S.R. Sharma. I don't know whether you've heard him or not. He was principal with us for quite some time. बड़ी अच्छी बात बोलते थे. उनके चेयर के पीछे most of the principals keep a towel behind their chairs. So वो he was quite frank to us. मैं जाके पूछती थी, मैं कि सर, उनके पास जाके रो आते थे हम, जैसे कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो सोल्यूशन मिल जाता था. So I used to ask him, सर ये कपड़ा क्यों रखते हो आप पीछे? It doesn't look nice behind the chair. So whenever you come into the frame, he says कि ये बहुत important कपड़ा है, this I cannot take it off. सर क्यों? ऐसा क्या important है इसमें? ऐसा क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है इसका? ये तो रोज जब घर जाता हूँ ना तो इसको झाड़ के जाता हूँ. आज का काम यही खत्म. Tomorrow, a new beginning, new day, new beginning. आज के challenges, say I am learning. I am not carrying forward the challenges till tomorrow. I am stopping those challenges today. I am learning from those challenges and I am moving on tomorrow. हम क्या टीचर्स करते हैं? ईगो आ गई, बच्चे ने कंप्लेंट कर दी, पेरेंट की कंप्लेंट आ गई, प्रिंसिपल सर ने बुला लिया, अब हमारी ईगो हट हो गई और वो हम लेके चलेंगे उसको बड़े दिनों तक, बड़े महीनों तक. तो हम क्या करते हैं? हम उस लूप में फंस जाते हैं. तो हमें लूप में नहीं फंसना. वी हैव टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट. वी हैव टू जंप आउट ऑफ दैट. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली, often means every month, depending upon your skill. Sunday 1 घंटा अपने आप को दो. एक घंटा अपने आप को दे दोगे तो कुछ बच्चों को नहीं हो जाएगा, कुछ हस्बैंड को नहीं हो जाएगा, कुछ फैमिली में कोई उफान नहीं आ जाएगा, कोई अर्थक्वेक नहीं आ जाएगा. 1 hour to your own self. Reflect, not just professionally, personally also. Support yourself. Consider yourself as a human, not as a superhuman. आप नवदुर्गा नहीं हो, आप अष्टभुजी नहीं हो. Understand that. Accept that fact. We don't have to be nice to everyone. Take your dissociation days. Disassociate means total cut off. Disassociate with each and everything. अब घर में ऐसे क्या पॉसिबल नहीं है, है ना? स्कूल से तो हम कट ऑफ हो सकते हैं. टुडे आई टेक माई ब्रेक. टुडे आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू कम टू स्कूल. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू अटेंड एनी कॉल फ्रॉम द स्कूल. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू अटेंड एनी कॉल ऑफ द पेरेंट और एनीथिंग. आई डिसोसिएट मी. Give that break to your own self. Very much required. And what is most importantly required is your 100% preparation for your classes. If you are prepared, again, your half the battle is won. हो गया काम अगर आप prepared हो lessons को. बट हाँ, सेम काम वही काम रूटीन में करते जा रहे हो, फिर कोई स्कोप नहीं है. I will not discuss challenges in the board examination right here. So I wish to stop here, but I would like to, before I end, I have 2 things to mention. एक अभी थोड़े दिन पहले किसी की इसमें चैनल पे किसी के सुना, राग तब तक ही अच्छा लगता है जब तक अनुराग हो. आई नो यू आर इंग्लिश टीचर्स, बट इतनी हिंदी तो आती नहीं. राग तब तक ही अच्छा लगता है जब तक अनुराग हो. जब वो विराग बन जाए, देन यू नीड टू थिंक, या तो मुझे राग चेंज करना पड़ेगा या मुझे राग स्टॉप करना पड़ेगा. तो राग हियर इज योर राग, योर लेक्चर्स. Anurag is till the children are interested in you, till they are very much interested in listening to you. Virag is when they are not interested in you. At that point of time, you need to think कि या तो मैं राग बंद करूं या I change my राग. ये स्ट्रैटेजी से चलते जाएंगे तो हमारे स्टेप्स डबल अप होते जाएंगे. बहुत इंप्रूवमेंट आती जाएगी हमारे में. जब हम इंप्रूव होंगे तो बच्चे भी इंप्रूव ऑटोमेटिकली होंगे. देखो, जब हम घर से आते हैं ना, जिस दिन हम सड़े मूड के साथ आते हैं ना, तो उस दिन हम गार्बेज ट्रक वाली स्टोरी सबने सुनी होगी. सो हम वो गार्बेज ही खिलाते जाते हैं हर किसी के ऊपर. जो कोई सामने आया खिंच गई पड़ना है उसको. When we come with the light mood, good mood, everything is happy. ठीक है? And to end up, एक छोटी सी 2-4 लाइनें बस. That too again in Hindi. वो इंग्लिश वाली मजा नहीं आता पोएट्री रेसिटेशन.
Please stop sharing before that.
बच्चे जी
Stop sharing before that. आपका
Okay.
लाइनें अच्छे से आ जाएंगी फुल फेस में.
ठीक है.
Yes.
जब बच्चे क्लास में इनडिसिप्लिन क्रिएट करें तो उनका फोकस वापस लाने के लिए एक कोशिश और. जब मैनेजमेंट आपकी काम की कोई कदर ना करे तो सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड रहने की सिर्फ एक कोशिश और. जब मन हार जाए, यू नो समटाइम्स वी फील शैटर्ड, कुछ नहीं हो रहा, हमारा कुछ नहीं हो रहा. जब मन हार जाए, अपने मन को अपने आप उठाने की, विदाउट द हेल्प ऑफ एनीबडी एल्स, without getting that validation या without asking for the help from our friends, अपने मन को उठाने की सिर्फ एक कोशिश हो. और अब रसिक सर के मोटिवेशनल वर्ड्स से आज से ही शुरुआत करने की एक कोशिश हो. That was all from my side. Thank you. I hope there were some takeaways for you which you can implement in your classes. We can have another session some other time also where we just simply discuss about the problems which we face during our examinations and how can we help the students with our board examinations. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Now I would request all the participants to have their videos on so that we can have a screenshot of all the attendees. Have a nice smile on your faces, please. गुस्सा नहीं करना है, मैम ने बहुत अच्छे से समझाया सब कुछ. वी कैन हैव अ नाइस ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल as a token of respect and gratitude to whatever she has done. Fine, thank you. Now, for some time, if you have any questions or queries, I am going to unmute all so that you can unmute yourselves and you can ask the question. If you have any question or query, you can ask before we wind up. And after that, Mrs. Nirmaljeet will just present a vote of thanks and we'll conclude. We have only 9 minutes with us, so 5 minutes for open house Q&A. किसी को कुछ पूछना है 5 minutes में. Please unmute and ask. Yes, Neha Verma, you can do it. Please ask. Are you able to unmute or not? Just a minute. Are you able to unmute yourselves, participants? Okay, I'm trying this way now. Please just see if you can unmute yourselves.
Yes, sir, we can.
Better. So all those who want to ask any question should unmute themselves and ask one by one. Hope it is okay, ma'am. Rashmi ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
And I am Neeta Verma. Ma'am, actually, I want to ask the children learn very easily in the class sometimes, but they lack continuity. So how to get the support of parents? We do our best in the class and the children also learn, but they forget after a gap of period.
ठीक है.
So how to take support of that?
ठीक है. Right, ma'am, your question is very valid and this is the common problem which we all faces in our classes. इसके लिए पहले we have to understand parents ने कोई help नहीं करनी है. ठीक है. और जो वो help करेंगे भी वो that will not be applicable to what we want from the child because we are not communicating with the parent. ठीक है. Now how we can help us? The same method as I told, evaluation. बच्चे को नहीं लिखना आ रहा है, कुछ भी लिखो. You write whatever. ठीक है. The child brings back. You ask the child only कि how much time do you want for you to write this? I've given you 2 questions. बताओ कॉपी कब दोगे? आज वेंसडे है, फ्राइडे को दे सकते हो? नहीं दे सकते? मंडे को दे सकते हो? अभी we also have to keep our deadline. मंडे को देना कोई बात नहीं. मंडे को let the child write, ma'am, whatever. When the child bring back the copy to us, then we sit one to one with the child because that child wants improvement. That is why that child is asking. Then we sit one to one with the child and we tell, बेटे ये problems हैं, ये sentence आपका structure है, this should be this way, this is what I'm suggesting. Next time when you answer, please follow these set of instructions and then answer. Again, this is not a one-day task. This will take a lot of time, maybe a time of 6-7 months, ma'am, to bring that child to level. But अगर हमारे efforts genuine है, 100% काम आएंगे. Parents से help seek करना, a big no. They won't help. They are there to blame you.
We have to keep patience and be after them continuously.
Superhuman patience.
Okay,
Keep
ma'am.
patience. Keep on trying. Keep on working. ये strategy नहीं काम कर रही, छोड़ो. Next. We keep changing. And then, ma'am, it is very important, we being as English community, to talk to each other. What is going on in your class it might not work in your class. It might work in my class. So as a community, we talk to each other, find out solutions for the same. अकेले बैठ के कुछ नहीं होगा. कुछ होता भी नहीं है.
Right. Anyone else? Anyone else? Last question. Anyone? Just last one question. After that, we'll wind up. No? I think we are good to go. Nirmal ma'am, please take over.
Thank you, sir. So, on behalf of the participants and the whole team of Shivalik Hills Sahodaya, it is my privilege to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks to Ms. Rashmi, who was our esteemed resource person of the day, for sharing such insightful and enriching session. Her expertise, I think, engaged all of us, and we learned so many new things. Though we were following many on different circumstances, yes, like ma'am said that it few ideas doesn't work for anyone, all of us. So it depends upon the kind of learners we have, kind of situations we are into. So yeah, we need to put in our ideas in different ways so that we make and we reach to the students' mind and to their heart too. And with this, thank you very much, ma'am. It was really lovely. And there are so many ideas which I have got to make my classroom learning better. So thank you very much on behalf of everybody.
This last thing I wish to share that please talk to each other, find out solutions. WhatsApp groups we have. There might be some people who don't wish to share their ideas, but we as Shivalik Sahodaya Hills ke all the members, we are always ready to help each other out in whatever circumstances or things which we have. Practical solutions to all the things, rather than just scripting the things and then presenting it in front of you. And before we end up through this platform, I know they're not there listening to me, but still I would heartfelt like to extend my thanks to my previous school. Those, she's chiseled me like anything. She's shaped me into what I could do today. This was my first time and I was quite unsure of what I would do. But I think if not great, but then thoda sa acha to kar liya hoga. So all thanks to her. I was really grilled a lot in this my process of 17 years. Chalte I was asked to ye team ka matlab bata, ye bata, wo bata. So this is the way. So which helped me. मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता था तब क्योंकि it was insulting, but not insulting actually, but it made me good, a good English teacher. I would call myself a good English teacher. Thank you.
मैम हथियारों को जितना रगड़ो ना उतनी धार तेज होती है उनकी. It happens only when we say कि नहीं don't trouble us. वो छोटी सी एक स्टोरी है. There were two stones. एक उनको बोला गया कि ईश्वर की मूर्ति बनानी है. जैसे ही मूर्तिकार ने अपनी चिजल पकड़ी और पहले स्टोन पे काम करना शुरू किया, वो चीख पड़ा, नहीं मुझे बहुत दर्द होता है, मुझे टच मत करो, मुझे छोड़ दो, मैं पेन नहीं सह सकता. उसने छोड़ दिया उसको. सेकंड वन को उसने पकड़ा, उसको भी जैसे ही उसने चिजल पकड़ी, फर्स्ट चोट की, वो कहता है आई एम ऑल योर्स, डू व्हाटएवर यू हैव टू, आई विल बियर ऑल द पेन, मेरी मूर्ति बना दो, मेरी यूज मी. और वो मूर्तिकार ने बना दी उसकी मूर्ति. और वो दोनों स्टोन्स का फ्यूचर क्या था, फेट क्या था, जिसकी मूर्ति बनी वो मंदिर के अंदर लगा, लोग उसके पांव छूते थे, उसकी वर्शिप करते थे. और जो दूसरा स्टोन जिसने गिव अप कर दिया था शुरू में ही कि मेरे को पेन मत करो, वो बना सीढ़ियों का पत्थर. तो पैर रख के, उसके ऊपर पैर रख के लोग दूसरे स्टोन की पूजा करने जाते थे. दिस इज द डिफरेंस. If we render ourselves in the hand of the one who is trying to shape us and we give free hand to that person, तो फिर मैम की तरह से ऐसे सेशन लेने के काबिल हो जाते हैं. And I am really thankful to you, ma'am, for taking such a wonderful session, and equally thankful to all the participants. And Shivalik Hills Sahodaya Hoshiarpur will keep making such efforts in future also. With these words, thank you very much, all the participants.